Arum DataEye. Managing a busy credit management office is not a simple job. When working with a variety of people, tasks, and computer systems, the ability to separate and use the most relevant information on time will enable you to run a successful company. But is there an easy way to do that? Welcome to Explaining the Arum DataEye management dashboard, which will turn your data into information right on time. Arum DataEye, key information right on time. Meet John, a manager of a credit management office. He looks over teams of agents who every day work hard, phoning debtors, receiving payments, and helping people to manage their debt. To effectively manage this operation, John needs up-to-date information about teams' performance, their calls, debt they recovered, their working hours, and customers they helped. John knows that reports are a good way to harness that information. Unfortunately, it takes time to gather data from computer systems, format and compress them, and to distribute the results to the interested parties. What is more, each report is compiled at the end of the day, hence it is not up to date for the most of the day, and important decisions have to be made based on the previous day's report. There must be a better way to do that, thought John. Thanks to the Arum DataEye, John has an insight into the performance of his teams at any point in time. He can see how they are progressing during the day, or easily manipulate reports depending on what time period or what KPIs he needs. Thanks to the streaming of data in near real time, monitoring your operations becomes much more efficient. For example, if crisis arises, John, as a well-informed manager, will be prompted to take action immediately, instead of waiting for the end of the day report to raise a red flag. Arum DataEye, automatic gathering and processing of data. Let's go back to time when John's company didn't have Arum DataEye. Administrative staff had to manually gather information from all the relevant computer systems, telephony, collections, banking, and logging systems. Before all the data could be analyzed, they had to be formatted or converted into one format. Next important step would be to derive a set of key performance indicators that express company's progress. Finally, someone would have to generate charts, highlight important or alarming elements, and distribute all these reports by emails or in a printed format. That's how they were creating the daily reports for John. But that is such a waste of time and resources, thought John. Once Arum DataEye is configured, it gets the information automatically from all the company's computer systems. The most relevant information is digested, analyzed, and distributed to screens displaying dashboard. Issues that are standing out are highlighted on a screen, sent to emails or even mobile phones. While John gets the most relevant information quickly and accurately, no one has to do mundane, repetitive tasks, and everyone can spend more time doing what they are really good at. Arum DataEye, data visualization, tailored to the way we see our world. Our brain evolved to use visual clues to our advantage, even when we have incomplete information. Today, we can harness principles of perception to communicate data in more meaningful and unobtrusive way. Using color, position, shape, and motion, good charts can tap to the pre-attentive, pre-conscious mechanisms. Thanks to the good design of performance charts, you can analyze better, faster, and more, because often one picture can replace hundreds of numbers. It would be great if we could use that in my company, thought John. For every implementation of Arum DataEye, we not only design each chart intelligently, but we also use attributes of arrangement and relationships between data. All that to create a complete overview of what you need to know at the moment. Such an overview is called an information dashboard. Arum DataEye, easy access to the data you need. Because Arum DataEye uses cutting-edge internet technologies, it can be accessed by any employee using a computer with network connection. Everyone can see how well they are doing with a dashboard widget positioned on the side of their screen. They can also compare each other with their team or other colleagues to get motivated via healthy competition. With another dashboard, their team leaders can evaluate everybody's performance and more effectively cooperate with their subordinates. Another display is a large screen in a hall that informs everyone about current progress. Finally, a manager is aware of how the company is doing and has an overview of all the processes. John can now react in real time to underperformance conditions. He can navigate the dashboard to track down the cause of crisis and resolve the troubling issue. What is more, if John walks away from his computer, he can use Arum DataEye's automatic mobile alerts to stay on top of things. Why is Arum DataEye so useful for your business? Because it gathers your key information in near real time, makes that process automatic, visualizes your data in an intelligent way, and makes information accessible and scalable. In short, Arum DataEye increases your business performance and motivates your employees in a simple and unobtrusive way. Thank you for your attention. Visit our website at www.arum.co.uk, or to find out more about Arum DataEye, visit www.arumdataeye.com.